Oh yes, welcome to life with me. Hey guys, welcome. My name is Nogonga and you my darlings of Charlie Trend and to Life No One. I hope you to stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So I am starting with this vlog in the process of revamping this week for a client, and due to load shedding, I keep stopping here and there. Revamping a week kind of needs like treatment, using a whole lot of electricity and stuff, and load shedding has been too much of a bridge. So earlier I was doing, let me change the camera, excuse my background, it's a little bit of a mess because I've been busy the whole day. So yesterday I was bleaching this week for a client. I am done with it, it's waiting for collection as you can see, and now I want to do this. I want to quickly do this one because it is going to be collected. So let me just go on and do the wig so that I can start preparing for traveling to Mpumalanga, because first thing tomorrow morning we're going and I should be done by then. So just watch me transform this wig or revamp this wig. There is a video on the coloring and fixing that wig. So there is gonna be a specific video for this one, but I'm gonna be showing a little bit cleans of it here and there. So after I'll be busy packing and organizing my makeup so that it can be like organized safely for traveling, because we're gonna be using a public transport. Our car broke, and as my dad stayed back and tried to fix it, we are like supposed to be home. Actually, we're supposed to be home today. So meanwhile, let me just continue with the week, do my packing and preparations. This up on a camera for the tutorial, because we also doing a tutorial up. Revamping. It is ready for collection. As you can see, it looks cute, and I love how jet black her wig is. So it can be collected anytime from now because I did call her to collect. So that is pretty much with wig making and stuff. You will see the full video or the tutorial of how I was revamping the wig on a separate video, definitely not in this vlog. And let me just go on and pick, because I gotta be ready. So this is the sis and she's looking cute. So I am actually packing the clothes that I'm gonna be going with. I've already placed some of the clothes here which I wanna pack, and the inside here is the new clothes, because I promised one of my subscribers to do a haul on these clothes and I couldn't get time to do that. So I am gonna take everything with me and do a haul at home. And then my makeup box, I'm gonna be placing all my makeup here because I do have 2 clients and hopefully I'll have more at home. So I'm just gonna be packing and getting ready. Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up. Yesterday we arrived late actually, and it was raining. So I couldn't even bother touching my camera. There was also load shedding. My battery was flat. Like a lot was going on, but yeah. Just woke up. Excuse the camera quality. It's a little bit kind of cloudy, and the room is kind of dark. So yeah, now we are going to do something to eat because I'm hungry. There is load shedding actually, because the time now it's past 7 and load shedding started at 7. So we're going to use firewood to prepare food. I don't know when was the last time I used firewood, but yeah, we're gonna do that today. So yeah. You're gonna